Hello guys, welcome back to Spot Original. Now I will give you tutorial how to save posts of others account or write it for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss of our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let's go to the started. Click on the write it. Okay, the function of the save post for the others account is to make you mark that you don't search again about this post, because all of the posts here and you cannot to see one by one. So for the alternative to see it, you can save this post and you can more easier to find it. Okay, after that you can scroll down that you want to be saved about the post. You can click the three dots of the upper in the post, and the next you can click save. Now it is saved for you. And how to see when and where the post has the save, and you can see it. You can click the symbol in the upper of the left corner and go to the save here. Click on the save. There is a post that you want to be saved before, and now you can just to click this and you can directly go to this post. It's very simple way to do it. Okay, this is a tutorial how to save posts of others account on Reddit for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.